Hello all, welcome to Tech Mirages, and I'm back again with another awesome video. In this video, I'll show you how to add an image as background to your Instagram post while sharing it as Instagram story in your Android mobile. But before going forward, make sure to subscribe to my channel by clicking on subscribe button and click on the bell icon so that you never miss any of my latest videos. As the stage has been set, let's get started. So head over to your Instagram and look for the post which you want to share it as Instagram story. So this is a video or Instagram post which I want to share it as Instagram story. Just tap on the share icon at the bottom and click on add post to your story. And you could see that the Instagram post has been shown at small on the right corner. And to add background to this, just swipe from top to bottom and you could see all the photos from the gallery. So make sure you already have a background image downloaded in your gallery section and tap on the background image which you want to add. You could see that background image has been added, and bring back the post which you want to share. Just make it small or large by pitching in and pitching out with your fingers and rotate as you want to make it attractive. If you want to add any text to it, just tap on the font icon on the top right corner and type the text which you want to show. Just tap on the colors so that you can change the colors and font styles as well. Just adjust the font or text as well. Click on send to button. Click on share button beside share your story. Click on done button. Now this Instagram post with background image has been added to your Instagram stories. Let us see that. So tap on the profile icon and you could see the Instagram story with a background image. Just tap on the photo or the video and it asks you to go to view post. Just tap on it and it takes you to the post. So this is a simple way to add background image to your Instagram post while sharing it as Instagram story. Hope you find this video useful. Please like and share the video and make sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching this video. See you soon.